Hi all, welcome back to our next video. In today's IT world of software development, two terms becoming popular day by day: Agile software development method and the Lean software development method. Now, who have worked only on Agile, they don't know about Lean, and who have worked only on Lean, they don't know about Agile, and who have worked on both always have some difficulties to understand difference between these two. So let's try to understand what is Agile software development method and the Lean software development method. What are their differences and what is common in between them. So let's start. Before we start looking into what is Lean software development, let's try to understand what is its history. Toyota Manufacturing Company developed a production system, and the production system is to eliminate the wastage and to increase the efficiency of their work. Later on, it is well adopted by other manufacturing companies as well to increase the efficiency of their production system. And then it becomes so popular as a lean methodology. In 2003, a popular book written by Mary and Tom, How to Implement the Lean Methodology from Manufacturing Company to Software Development. And from there, this lean methodology becomes popular for software development as well. Okay, then what is lean software development? Now, this book mainly talks about 7 principles of lean software development and how you can implement to make your software development efficient. So, let's see it one by one. Eliminate waste. Again, this term came from manufacturing company, which says there should be minimum wastage from production cycle, which can be well applied in software development by focusing only on customer requirements. So, what does that mean? Now, in manufacturing company, waste can be because of many things. It can be because of overproduction, unnecessary transportation, or unnecessary movement of workers on the floor. It can be because of quality issues, or it can be because of using advanced and expensive tools to do simple things which could be done by simple tools. Now, Tom and Mary translated those ways to software development as well. Now they figured out different reasons. For example, unnecessary code or the functionality development. Now taking more work to develop than the capacity. Unclear or constantly changing the requirements from the customers. Unclear communications between the team members and the stakeholders. Now defects and quality issues and continuously switching of the task from the team members. Now, these could be different area which should be taken into consideration to have minimum waste in software development. Then, build quality in. Now, this principle majorly focus on how to improve the quality of software. Now, there are some most popular lean development tools for building quality of your software. For example, pair programming. Now, avoid quality issues by combining the skills and the experience of two developers instead of one. You should apply the test-driven development to your software. Incremental development and the constant feedback. Now you should create a small piece of code, test it, hand over to the customer and collect the feedback. Then you should minimize the waiting state because it can cause the lack of focus on software development. Also, you should apply the automation as much as possible to your software development. And these are all different tools which you can apply to build the quality of your software. Next principle, create knowledge. Now this principle majorly focus on how to improve the knowledge of team members by applying tools like pair programming, code reviews, providing enough documentation to team members, thoroughly commented code, knowledge sharing sessions, trainings, and use tools to manage requirements like user stories. Then, next principle is deliver as fast as possible. Now, every team members always wants to deliver as fast as possible from their side, but there are always culprit who can make it slow. For example, thinking too far in advance future requirements, or if no immediate solution provided for blockers. So this could be the reason to make your deliverables slow. Next principle is defer commitment. Now, don't commit anything without necessary information. Don't plan for months in advance and don't commit to project without understanding of business requirements. Next principle is respect people, which talks about healthy relationship between team members and motivating them to good work and respect them. Next one is see the whole. Now, this principle is based on belief that software is more than just a sum of its parts. Therefore, its evaluating should be related to whole and not its individual elements. In short, focus on main goal. And these are the 7 principles that lean software development talks about. So let's talk about the history of agile software development. Now, before Agile, with our traditional way of software development, we started facing many issues, like it was not easy to adapt the changes from the customer. It was completely dependent on a predefined plan, and many times it happens that till we finish our development, the product became invalid in market, and so on. So as a result, in 2001, the Agile Manifesto has come. Then, what are the principles of Agile software development? Agile software development mainly talks about 12 principles. So let's see it one by one. Customer satisfaction. Now it is on highest priority to satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery. Adaptive to changes. Now anytime we should accept the changes from the customer. Deliver working software frequently. Now we must deliver working software frequently within a couple of weeks or a month. A close cooperation of business and developer team. Business people and developer teams must work together daily throughout the project. The culture of trust, support, and motivation. Build project around motivated individuals, giving them environment and support they need and trust them to get the job done. Next principle is direct communication. Now, these principles say it is always effective to have face to face communication within the teams and the team and the stakeholders. Working software is the primary measure of progress. Yes, it must be primary measure of progress. Then, sustainable development. Now, everyone who is part of the software development should maintain the constant pace of deliveries. Technical excellence and good design. There should be continuous focus on enhancing the technical skill and the design of software. Next principle is simplicity. Now this principle says first focus on creating a simple solution and then you can work on understanding the requirements of customers and keep on adding these features incrementally until customer gets satisfied. Self-organizing teams. Team should be self-organized with responsibility to achieve the goal. And the last one is regular analysis to increase the efficiency. At regular interval of time, team should discuss about what went wrong in previous delivery, do analysis, learn from it, and take corrective actions. And these were 12 principles of agile software development. So, did you see the differences? Obviously, theoretically, there are few differences in the principles of both these methodology, but at the end, both talks about the similar things like customer satisfaction, adjusting to changes from the customer, deliver working software as fast as possible, and the competency of developers and respect to people. So that was all about agile and lean software development method. Thanks for watching this video. Please like it, subscribe it, and see you in next video. Bye bye.